In front of me is HUAWEI Mate X7 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. First of all, go into settings and scroll to tap on security section available here. Now scroll again, but this time choose Emergency SOS. When you're ready, click on Emergency Contacts. Tap on Add Emergency Contact and click on the one you wanna set up. Then choose OK in each pop-up if you want to notify this contact that it became your emergency one. If you don't, select Cancel. To manage your contact list, you can always use this icon at the top right corner and remove any contact from your list. You can also add a new one. Either way, once you're done, go back to check it out. So when I switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, I can tap on Emergency at the bottom on the left. Then choose Emergency Information and see my emergency contact. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!